New store, new merch, meatcanyon.store. We got new hoodies and new shirts. Please check it out for my family. Thank you.
The group is celebrating life today. A member of their flock seems to be leaving and doesn't plan to return. The yellow tic-tac embarks on its final journey alongside its family. Finding a natural resting ground, he strips off his attire and lays bare on the sharp blades of grass, where the creature will starve itself to death. It doesn't stray away from the hunger. It embraces it like a warm blanket. The long road filled with cracks and intruding weeds has been traveled and met with its inevitable end. Finally, the creature draws its final breath, breathing in the beautiful air it's been able to enjoy its entire life for a final time. Resting peacefully now. But death is not the only visitor on this day. Life rears its head and decides to visit us as well. Disgustingly, the teeth begin to slowly pop out of the gums and reveal that they are baby minions. The minions starve themselves before death to give all the vital life to its offspring, never chewing another bite of food and never consuming liquid, all in an attempt to make sure the younglings have a chance for survival. The family wastes no time collecting the new offspring, welcoming them into the flock. Finally, the body that gave them life is burned. The ashes cascading through the air dance amongst the wind, trickling down like dry rain upon the newborn's face. A wonderful moment of clarity that life is ever fleeting and to be cherished at every moment. It's not a matter of if they left a mark on the world, one to be transcribed for endless seas of people to revel over for millennia. It's a miracle that they lived at all, and that they did so with love in their heart, and for others that were so close to them.